Daddy. TRXing it up. The family that works out together looks fine by the pool together. Me after the colonoscopy. I came home and put my bonnet back on, sis. They told me not to do any work, but I am just distributing my podcast today. I did review an email that my team was putting together to send out. I just reviewed it though. Made a few adjustments, but nothing major. And I'll probably just play on social media today, do a little research, watch some videos, maybe listen to a couple of the books that I have on Audible. It's business related. It's going to help me with a couple of projects. I might watch some videos, a part of a program that I actually purchased for myself. So not major work, but sis, I don't think I can go a day without working. Anyway, I'll just drink my water and I will finish distributing my podcast. You can see I have my YouTube going on in the background. So definitely I'll be doing that. So just taking it easy today. Anyway, I don't know that I'll do much else today. We'll pick the vlog back up tomorrow. See you later. Okay, so what I'm going to have to look into is whether or not I can actually add as much as I've been considered. So I got one of the girls, that's what I was doing when I got out of the car. I was trying to send her my login. Hey guys, so I don't know where I left you guys off, but I am out running errands. I'm actually headed back to my house. I've already finished the errands. One of them was hanging out with my girlfriend. We had lunch. Well, she ate. I didn't eat. I'm about to go home and eat. I had to do some printing over at Staples. And now I had to do a little bit of banking. But now I am headed home. And you should have probably already seen my morning. I had a meeting with my team today. So anyway, I'm just kind of popping on because I'm headed back to the house. And I thought I would just pop in and share a little bit of that with you. So I think I'm going to go home. I think I'm going to eat a little something, and then I am going to go outside in my backyard because it is such a beautiful day, as you just saw. We'll see if I can get back on here later on this afternoon, because I know there will be some family shenanigans, because tonight is my husband's night to cook, and put night to cook in quotation marks because we really just order food. And we might go for a nice little walk because it is almost 80 degrees here today. So we shall see what we will get up to this evening. So I will get back on. I'll meet you back here in a little bit, especially if I'm going to go sit outside and work. I might do a little bit more of that. You saw some of that yesterday too because it's been so pretty here. But anyway, I'll be back. I do need to work. So there is the stuff that I'll be working on, my computer and stuff, after I eat. But first, a little Scout the City and my vegan tortellini with spinach. Because y'all know that I'm actually doing my best to be a flexitarian, where I do plant-based for breakfast and lunch. And then I do a lean meat, vegetables for dinner, and a little snack before I go to bed. That's my life right now. So let me finish eating, and then I am going to start work and close out my day. So we'll see. There may be shenanigans tonight. There may not be. Either way, I will pick this vlog back up. If not tonight, then definitely tomorrow. I don't know what I have to do tomorrow, but we'll figure something out and I'll bring you along for the ride. So stay tuned. We'll be back. Go, baby, go. Y'all, I cannot wait to get in the pool. I love, see, that it changes colors. Check it out. My husband has it set. I don't know, he's doing something new now. This is different. Anyway, I am so excited. Look, we've got the lights up. The other pergola over there is not lit up, but I was out there earlier today. Oh my gosh, guys, so excited. So excited. Hey bosses, it is Friday. So excited for Friday. I don't remember where we left off yesterday. I don't know. There weren't any family shenanigans. I think that's what I was telling you, that I was going to go inside and work outside because it was so pretty yesterday. So I think I did that, and I showed you a little bit of that, me eating my lunch. But nothing really exciting happened last night. I actually got really sleepy and fell asleep on the sofa at like 10 something because my husband went to pick up my daughter. Today, I'm just now picking up the camera because I literally got up, had breakfast, talked to my best friend. You guys seen me do that before. And I sat down and started writing scripts for my podcast. And I need to do some filming today. But as you can see, I don't have on any makeup because I wasn't intending to leave the house. And then I realized that I needed to go pick up some medicine and some of my supplements. And so I'm gonna run out really quickly. But before I run out, I kind of wanted to show you something in my car. When I used to sell Premier Designs jewelry, one of the things that I would promote so much was having an emergency kit in your car. Oh wow, guys, look at this. Let me turn it over. See, look at, you see that bird that just flew away? It was a hawk. Anyway, that was pretty cool. Anyway, so the emergency kit consisted of a mascara, some sort of tinted lip, and a hoop earring. Now, the reason for that is because how many times, like I'm doing right now, do you have to run, get in your car, run, go somewhere and do something, and you realize, oh crap, I left the house, I don't have on any makeup, I look horrible, because that is the time that you see someone you know, right? You always see someone you know. I just told people when I was selling jewelry, listen, it's so much easier to just have a little kit in your car. So I took my earrings out, so I don't have my earrings in here, but I did want to show you that I do have in the car. Okay, so I always keep some of these because inevitably I have something in my teeth. And let's see, I'm trying to do this. Okay, this is a cream blush that I use. This is a lip balm that I put on my lips. This is the little brush that I use for mine. Here's my mascara. So, FYI, I try to practice what I preach. So I just got in my car and I wanted to show you that, ladies, it is okay if you do not wear makeup all the time, if makeup is not your thing. But if you remember correctly, I want to put up a card right here. I just did a video on makeup or no makeup. And I talked about why I thought it was important to always have some sort of color on your face when you leave. You don't have to put on a full face. That's not what I'm saying. But I want you to go back and look at that video. And I just got in my car and I thought, wow, let me just share with you guys my emergency kit. Now, I used to have it in a really cute little Coach pouch, which actually I might get one. I'm headed out. One of the errands I have to run is over to the Coach outlet. So I used to have it in a cute little Coach pouch, so it wasn't so like thrown in here. But yeah, just keep a cute little hoop earring. It doesn't have to cost a lot of money because a hoop earring is the best earring shape for the best earring for any face shape. So I just keep a cute hoop earring in here. I keep a mascara, something for my lip, even if it's just like a little lip balm, preferably something tinted so that it puts a little color on your face. And then a little mascara because it opens up your eye. Now, if you do that, if you have to run to the store really quickly, girl, just put a little mascara on, put your earrings in. If you have a baseball cap, put a baseball cap. If you don't, put your hair back in a ponytail. But the earrings will certainly stand out. It will draw the eye up. Won't even matter what you're wearing. It'll draw the eye up. The mascara will open up your eye and you'll appear brighter. And then the lip will just add a little color to your face and it'll give you like some color on your cheeks. Believe it or not, it kind of makes it look like you have a little bit of color on your cheeks. Anyway, girl, let's run our errands and let's see what the rest of this day has for us, shall we? Okay, bosses, so I am going to close the vlog out today. It is Saturday, and I am going to do a few little errands today. I have to go do a favor for a friend, take some pictures of some property for her. I gotta do some filming today, so that's what we're doing. I just finished my makeup. I'm about to throw on some shoes, let my hair down, and head out the door. So let's get going.